Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be focusing on our TK skills. We're going to continue to compare numerals from 0 through 10. We are focusing on standards for counting cardinality and operational thinking. So these are skills that they will need for kinder. So I'm already kind of getting them started on it little by little. And I think you guys will be the best kindergarteners next year because you guys are already going to be a head start of it. So today what we're going to be doing is still remembering our vocabulary words. Compare, so we're comparing numbers. We want to know which ones are greater, which ones are less, and which ones are the same. So everyone say compare, good. Everyone say greater, good. Less, good. And the same. Good. So those are the words that we're going to continue to hear throughout the lesson. And it's very important that we remember what they are and what they mean. Okay, so if you don't remember, just raise your hand or give me a call or message me and I will help you guys out, okay? All right. So everyone should have something that looks just like this, just like that. Okay, it says 4.7 on top, compare strips. Okay, so everyone's going to go ahead and cut them out. Go ahead and cut all your little boxes out. I want you guys to cut them out. How do we cut? Open, shut. Open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. Open, shut. Open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. So once we are done cutting, go ahead and put your trash in your trash can. Okay. And we want to make sure that we have them all ready. So I'm going to give you guys, the reason I'm cutting them along with you guys in the video is so that I give you guys enough time to do it too. Okay. If teacher is really, really fast, it's only because I told you guys already about this. So hopefully you have them ready. Okay, here we go. So we're going to use these as our fun little cards that we can use to compare numbers and see which one is greater and which one is smaller. So I want everyone to have their cards ready, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to flash them up to you just like we're going to do it on our own. And you guys are going to tell me which one is greater. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Which one's greater? Good. Someone said 10. Good. Which one is less? 2. Good. Which one is less? 5. Good. Which one is less? 3. Good. Which one is greater? Good. 3 again. Good job. Which one is less? 4. Good. Which one is greater? 9. Which one is less? 2. Good. What about this one, guys? What do we have here? Good, the same. We have the same number. Which one's greater? None. Which one's less? None. Which one's the same? The 5's. Good. So we tricked you on that one, huh? Same. Which one's greater? 10. What about here, guys? What do we have? Same. Everyone say same. The 3 and 3 is the same. What about here, guys? Same. Good job. So now I want you guys to grab a purple color. Any purple. It could be crayon. It could be marker. It could be any purple. Okay? And I want you guys to circle all the numbers that you find that are greater. So if it's greater, the word greater, I want you to circle, just like teacher circled greater. Okay? So right here, we have our first card. We have a 0 and a 10. Which one is greater? Good. The 10 is greater. So teacher is going to circle the 10. The 10 is greater. Good. Now, I want you guys to underline with a blue. Everyone grab a blue. And you will underline like that. Underline anything that is less, like the word less. So here, which one is less? 0. Good. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to write a little blue line. Grab your blue crayon or blue marker, and you're going to underline less. Okay? And now you're going to do that for all of your little cards until you're done. Okay? So the next one is here. Oh, but teacher, wait a minute. 5 and 5, which one's less? Huh, I can't underline because none of them is less. Can I circle them? Can I grab my purple and maybe circle greater? Wait a minute, I can't circle it either, Misty, because they're the same. So what can I do, Misty? When they are the same, you will grab your green and you will put another circle around the same. But it has to be in what color? Green. Green is for the same. So I'm going to circle both of them because they are both the same. So Misty drew a big circle around both of them because they're both the same. Good job, boys and girls. They are both the same. So if it's the same, I'm going to use green. If it's less, I'm going to underline with a blue. If it is greater, I'm going to circle with a purple. Good. When you guys are done, I want you guys to put them all on your carpet. And I want you guys to take a picture of all the work that you did. Make sure all your circles and underlines are there. Green, purple, and blue. Okay, make sure it's the correct colors. When you guys are done, I want you guys to put all of them on your rug or in your carpet or on your couch. Take a picture of them and send it to me on Seesaw. Take a picture, send it to me on Seesaw. That's how I know you did your work. Next, oh, thank you, sweetheart. Then next, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to grab your worksheet and you guys are going to do this all on your own. I want to see if you guys can do it. You guys are going to count and write the numerals. Okay, so here we let's see how many giraffes I have. Okay, ready? Let's count them together. I'm going to use my red to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I'm going to write number 9 because I have how many? 9. So you're going to count and then write the number here. Now with my orange, I'm going to count my monkeys. You're going to help me count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to write my number 6. Make sure you use that broken line. Make sure you use your broken lines. All right, so I have 6 monkeys. So I wrote the number 6. Good. Now that I know that I've counted all of them, it says to circle the number that is greater. So which one is greater? 9 or 6? Which one is greater? Which one is more? Greater. Ah, good job. The 9. So I'm going to circle the 9. Good. So that's how you're going to do this worksheet here. You also have another worksheet for practice. I believe it's the same section 4.7. So if you guys want to have extra practice, this is really good for you guys so that you guys can have more practice with saying greater and less. Here, you're going to color the number that is more. Color the number that is more. So here we have a 10 and a 4. 10 and 4. Which one is more? Remember, greater and more are the same word. Greater and more. Greater and more. Which one has more? They're both great. Okay, great. Greater, more and great. 10 and 4. Good. So 10 is greater. So I'm only going to color the 10 because out of those two boxes, the 10 is greater. Then I have 4 and 8. Which one is greater? Good, the 8. I have 2 and 6. Which one is greater? Well, let's think about that one. I have 2 and 6. What do you guys think? Good. Someone said 6. Very good, boys and girls. So you just like we did it here, you guys are going to do the entire worksheet all by yourself. When you are done with your 2 worksheets, you're going to take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw. Thank you, boys and girls.